Welcome to an impromptu, different kind of thing. If you hear a loud whirring, I apologize. My computer is currently like that. But I am currently working on that, which is why it is like that. And I was looking for somewhere to hang this external capture card. And I suddenly remembered I had this in the garage. And I found this a number of years ago at a garage sale for absurdly cheap. And I just thought it was unique, so I grabbed it and I just put it away. Because, any of these stick-on mounting things are always useful. And I just thought I'd never see another one. If you haven't read it yet, it says Remote Control Caddy. And there's no date on it, but I think the design of the remote that they chose speaks for itself. I do not think this would work with 90s controllers. And there's nothing on the sides. Nothing on the side, that's that side. The sides and the top just have the logo, and the bottom just says legal information, made in China, obviously. What is some code for someone who knows what that means. In the back, doesn't provide any more illumination, but it says Remote Control Caddy. Never misplace the remote control again. Handy Caddy attaches to wall, not the wall, not a wall, just wall. Handy Caddy attaches to wall, end table, or the side of your favorite easy chair or couch. Conveniently holds remote control or programming guide. Instructions. Peel off protective pieces over adhesive strips included. Apply adhesive strips to back of Caddy as shown. Attach Caddy in desired location at a slight angle so remote control is held securely. And then it has a little diagram of the device. And this was sealed when I bought it. Unfortunately, I have just popped that one. And I realized I should probably document this. So let's go ahead and share the bottom with you. If I can do this one-handed. Wow, the lighting does not like this corner of the room. Sorry. Yep, that was how I done one open. There we go. Sorry, I kind of opened it how I could. I'm actually surprised there's any packaging in this. Sorry. I'm actually surprised to see anything in there but the caddy. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, one-handed. Nope. Wow, they did not leave any tolerance. So that's a little bit deeper than I thought it'd be. Those pads might be good. So yeah, there it is. Just a piece of plastic with a bend in it and some stickies in the back. Yep. And the only thing it says is made in China. It doesn't even say who made it. And it's going to go on the wall like that. And let's see if... Yeah. Should hold it to the wall just fine. Might be a little funny because I need a cord over there. But it should work just fine. Remote control caddy.